I'm Justin, this is my bike. I got Colt D-Heart grips, Kink Human bars, one Odyssey power end, Fit download drop stem, Shadow headset, Colt sec forks, Bryce's peg, a Shadow peg, a Knight hub guard, an Odyssey Vendero 2 hub with an Odyssey quadrant rim with a Fit tire. For the frames, a Verde Corrali 27.5. I got a Fiend seat, David seat post, integrated seat clamp, JCPCs, premium cranks, Fit sprocket, Shadow chain, animal bottom bracket.
Sucks.
I got a Animal GLH tire, gay little homo.
Sucks.
With a Primo Remix hub, with a Primo 7000 series rim, with a Primo hub guard, another stock peg, which is Bryce's.
The wheels bent to shit.
With an FBM hub guard, and a Shadow peg, and I think that's it. Here's a hub sound, I guess. Ben. That's my bike.